In today's video, we are going to be doing some spring cleaning outside on our balcony, and we're also installing an outdoor security camera, which I am really excited about. I've been wanting something like this out here for a while now, so that will be included in today's video as well. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. Today we are deep cleaning the balcony. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna be able to get of that because it's really dirty. The pollen came here early this year, so everything is just covered in pollen and it's filthy. So we're gonna be cleaning out there, but we're also gonna be setting up a new security camera, which I'm gonna be unboxing in just a bit. We just got this in the mail today. It's a security camera and it's solar powered. So I'll tell you all about it in just a bit. I'm gonna show you what the balcony's looking like, and then maybe I'll film some progress. You can see I'm already sweaty. It's so hot outside. My apartment is a mess. I haven't even got to clean anything today. Yeah, it's been a rough day, but anyways, let's go outside. I'm gonna show you what the balcony looks like. It's bad. But before we get started with any of the cleaning, I want to do a quick unboxing of my new security camera and tell you all about it. So this is my new outdoor camera. It is a wireless outdoor camera with a solar panel. You can honestly set this camera up anywhere, but we are going to be setting it up outside on the balcony. This camera is honestly really cool. I love that it's solar powered, but it's also rechargeable. It has a 360-degree pan tilt feature, which is one of my favorite parts. You can literally see everything around you, and it also has a 4x zoom, which is also a cool feature. It also has motion detection, so it's perfect for focus surveillance. It also has a dual warning system, full color night vision technology, real-time two-way conversation. It's waterproof, and the picture quality on this is actually quite beautiful, which I'll show you in just a bit. So it came with everything that you need to install this device, as well as the solar panel. However, since we are renters, we are going to be setting it up a little differently, which I figured I would share for those of you who might need this option as well. We're going to be using command strips to set this up. So this camera connects to an app on your phone, which is honestly so simple to set up. You just download the app, create an account. It only took 2 seconds to do that, and then you connect it to your Wi-Fi and connect the camera using the step-by-step instructions. Very easy and simple and quick. So these are just some shots on my phone. I'm using my camera to film this, and then I'm going to show you a little screen recording I did on my phone as well. As you can see, the picture quality on here is so clear, and even at night, it looks absolutely amazing. You can see everything perfectly, even though it's dark outside. I'll have this product linked down below in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what all we did out here today. So this is our outdoor table. You can see it is just covered in dirt and pollen. These are the chairs that sit on each side of the table. They're also super dirty. My deer bean bags look like they've been through it, as you can tell. Alan has already gotten started on cleaning out here. He's been vacuuming the AstroTurf for me, and then he's going to get started on vacuuming the bean bags once he's done with doing some of the vacuuming on the AstroTurf and on this side of the patio floor. So I'm going in with some dry paper towels first on these chairs just to get some of that dirt loosened and somewhat wiped off, and then I'm going to be wiping down the chairs with some cleaner. While Alan's outside, I'm inside. I'm going to be cleaning this off, my little memorial to my bird that my best friend got me. This is my Bluetooth speaker. Look at the dirt on it. I'm also going to be cleaning some other things that we had out there, like the little truck and stuff. I'm just gonna actually do it right here in the kitchen sink. Get that over with. It is unbelievable how dirty everything was out here, but we haven't cleaned it since last spring or summer maybe. We haven't been out here on the patio all winter because it was too cold and miserable to sit out here, so it has been neglected since the last time we cleaned it. And then add that together with fresh spring pollen, and it was not a very nice thing, I can tell you that.
Miles in spring, rainbow trout and hummingbird wing, golden.
I'm actually just gonna wipe this off and not rinse it because it is a Bluetooth speaker. It actually needs to be charged. Oh man, that is dirtier than I thought. I'm also gonna be rinsing off our relax sign. And then also my little wooden plate thing.
Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden.
So now that I've dusted off all of the excess dust and the pollen, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the chairs with a wet rag and some cleaner. I did both chairs, but I only filmed me cleaning one of them. I don't even know what this cleaner is in this bottle, to be honest with you. I think it's a mix of water and vinegar, and I know this is really random, but I put my grapefruit peels in there. I thought it would just add some extra goodness and maybe a little grapefruit scent, but it did not do that. Also, had I known that paper towel roll was going to sit right there in front of the camera, I surely would have moved it. I didn't even realize it was in the shot until I started editing, so there's that. So Alan has started vacuuming the bean bags now. He's using my good old faithful vacuum, the one I got from Walmart. It's the Power Force Helix from Bissell, which is honestly one of my favorite vacuums. I've had this vacuum for a long time. It's now my balcony vacuum. I keep it outside on the patio so I can have it ready whenever we go to vacuum anything out here, and it's still working great. I also have this broom out here that we got from the Dollar Tree. I keep it out here also just in case, and I'm just sweeping on the side of the patio, especially in the corners, just trying to break up some of that dirt and dust before we vacuum over it. As you can see, there was a lot of dirt out here on the patio floor. I also wiped down the lighthouse. I just didn't film it, and now I'm going in with some Mrs. Meyer's lavender cleaner mixed with water in a bucket and a rag, and I'm going to scrub the bean bags and the ottomans so they'll be super fresh and clean and ready for us to enjoy.
Only golden, golden, golden things.
And now I'm giving the table a good scrubbing with that same cleaner. I also went in with a dry paper towel on this as well, like I did with the chairs, just to get some of that dirt off, but now I'm wiping it down. So now I'm putting everything back in its place, and I also set up my diffuser, and I've got some lavender essential oils going in here. And now everything is finished. Everything is super fresh and clean, and I am loving my little patio again. I can't wait till it gets warmer and more sunny out so we can spend more time out here like we always do. And honestly, I'm loving having this camera out here. I'm still shocked at how beautiful the quality of the video is and how it can just get every angle, side to side and up and down. It's honestly a great product. I highly recommend it if you need something like this.